Welcome to the Essential Guide to the OBBBA tax benefits. We'll break down the key changes affecting your wallet. Brought to you by EasyTaxFiler, we aim to simplify complex tax legislation so you can maximize your savings. The OBBBA Act provides long-term certainty and significant tax relief by extending and enhancing key provisions from the 2017 Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, while also introducing new temporary benefits. The benefits fall into two main categories: permanent extensions for long-term planning and temporary deductions running through 2028. Let's start with the permanent benefits, which solidify tax relief for years to come. The current individual income tax rates, ranging from 10% to 37%, are now permanent, preventing a reversion to higher pre-TCJA levels. The higher standard deduction amounts are permanently set and indexed for inflation, providing significant relief for most taxpayers who don't itemize. The child tax credit is permanently increased to $2,200 per qualifying child and will be adjusted for future inflation. The lifetime exclusion for estate and gift tax is permanently raised to $15 million per person, offering major relief for high net worth individuals. The popular 20% qualified business income deduction for pass-through businesses is now permanent, supporting eligible non-corporate taxpayers. 529 plans are expanded to cover more K-12 expenses and vocational training costs, with an annual limit raised to $20,000 starting in 2026. Now let's look at the new temporary benefits designed to provide short-term relief, available through the end of 2028. Taxpayers age 65 and older can claim an additional deduction up to $6,000 or $12,000 for a couple, regardless of itemizing status, though this phases out for high-income earners. Workers in tipped occupations can deduct up to $25,000 of their qualified reported tip income from their gross income. Employees can deduct up to $12,500 of premium overtime pay or $25,000 for joint filers if required by the Fair Labor Standards Act. A deduction of up to $10,000 is available for interest paid on new loans used to purchase a new personal vehicle assembled in the U.S. The cap on the deduction for state and local taxes, known as SALT, is temporarily raised from $10,000 to $40,000, available through 2029. Starting in 2026, taxpayers taking the standard deduction can claim an additional deduction for cash contributions to charity, up to $1,000 for single filers and $2,000 for joint filers. That wraps up the key provisions of the OBBBA. Let's briefly recap the main takeaways. Remember, the Act provides both permanent certainty on core provisions like tax rates and deductions, and temporary targeted relief in the form of new deductions through 2028. Be sure to consult with a tax professional to understand how these new benefits apply to your specific financial situation and maximize your tax savings. Thanks for watching.